Updating your primary email on American Express is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the official site for security purposes. Step 2. Access account services. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Services menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this to access your account details. Step 4. Update email address. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any verification requests and keep your account secure. Regularly updating your contact information helps ensure you receive important notifications from American Express.